Hi, welcome back on to Your Soul channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your LG K51S. This operation can be helpful if you don't remember the password to your phone, or just simply your firmware doesn't work properly. Anyway, in this case we need to turn off our phone, and as you see we can do this before we enter the draw pattern code. So we need to restart your phone, and after that you need to fast press and hold volume down and power button together. When you see the logo of LG, you need to release power and hold one more time. It's a little bit complicated, but look at my hand and do the same things as I. So now we're gonna restart the phone. Yes, and now volume down and power. Pick or up. Release, hold. Yes, release all the button. And now we're gonna see the factory data reset option go down by pressing volume down and accept by power. One more time on yes. And that's it, my friends. That's it. Now phone gonna be erasing all the data and format new system on your LG. You have been lost all your data, but you have been reset the password of your phone. So be careful what to do. Anyway, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!